Today, we're going to do something different. We're going to change the garbage disposal because it was dripping, leaking. And we're going to go from a half horsepower to a 3/4 horsepower, give it a little bit more. We didn't go to the full horsepower because it was like $60 more, so I didn't do it. And it was a little bigger, so I didn't know if it was going to fit underneath. I didn't measure anything.
And introduce your friend.
Oh, this is my friend.
Tyler Smith.
Tyler Smith. And
with E.L. Smith Plumbing is supervising here. Went up a grade on the horsepower, which is nice. We grind that field a little bit more. So, you know, food gets grinded up. It's pretty dang good, I'm telling you. Yeah. So we're going to stop. We're going to go up a little horsepower here. So we're going to put some juice to it.
So you know, in the pandemic special, you want to do things yourself. But if you got friends, always invite them over. Always. And always give them a little something too, you know, for their help. You know, say a little thank you. All right. So yeah, this is an incinerator. Get it? Incinerator.
Incinerator. I like that. It incinerator. With the zinc. I like it. I like it.
Okay, so come down here, Allison. Oh,
there you go. There you go. You got to jiggle it. Hey, those are things with the homeowner. They have to be gentle. They got to finesse a little bit. You know, you can't just jerk on it. It's like your wife. You got to finesse. You got to be gentle with it. You know what I'm saying? So us professional plumbers, we know that. But you know, homeowners, it's kind of different. They just don't know that. So just a little finesse in plumbing.
So do those new ones have plugs?
Oh, new ones have plugs. That's right. Look, here we go, folks. Look at this. Look at this, folks. We are getting towards the end of this right here already. I mean, we are going to put in this 3/4 horsepower versus that half we had. I mean, this is going to be a little more. I mean, this is like, oh yeah. But we're going to put this sucker in. So let's see how Bernard does, and you know, I'll grade him when the deal's done. We'll see how it does. If we get to A, B, C, D, I don't know.
Do I have to knock this out?
Yes, you'll need to knock that out there, Bernard. This little
plastic thing.
Yeah, you do a little pop screwdriver.
There you go.
There we go.
Get it out from the inside.
Yeah, get it out from the side here. Oh God! Oh, sorry. Just playing. It's not funny. That was just a joke, but don't do it for the kids.
Oh, it's not off yet.
Oh, Peter. Oh, here we go again.
Here we go, folks. You have to
really get in there.
Yeah, you got to really get into this thing. You really got to put your muscles right into it like that. You know. There we go.
It's all right, Peter.
We're good. There you go. Yeah, look at that. You know, you get down there, Bernard. Get on down there. You know, get down and get down.
Do I have to show crack?
No, wait. Hey, you could. That's a possibility. I mean, that is a plumber instinct. That's a tradition. I won't lie. I mean, it is part of us plumbers. We do show a little crack when we do these jobs. All right, let's see. Stick it right up on there, and you got to turn that silver deal till you feel it grab. And keep going until it grabs.
Good job, Dad. Great.
Now, do you need to get underneath there?
No, I got it. I just got to lay down. So.
You got to lay down. I mean, you know, you have to kind of lay down.
Yeah, he's just gonna do it. Let's just let the professional do it.
Yeah, and that's where we run into problems with homeowners. They think they can do this, and you got a professional in here to kind of help them out. So this is where we're at, folks. It's 101. You know, homeowner thinks they can get this thing done, but in reality,
Okay, so tell them what you just did.
Well, what we just did was we took the old jar disposal here and put in the 3/4 incinerator. Better, bigger boy. We're gonna now hook up your connection right here.
You call your friends.
This is why you're friends with plumbers.
I always wonder why everybody liked me so much and why they're my friends. Now I know.
You know,
I thought they actually liked me, but now I know why they actually really do like me. Not because of me, but because of my plumbing skills.
I was debating on whether to call Tyler up to come and help with this video here, but you know, I think I made the right choice today. I think I really made the right choice.
I think you did too.
You would have called him anyway.
Yeah, I know. So I mean, this is win-win, win-win.
Yeah, it's probably a win-win for
Get to hang out. Get to hang out with my buddy.
Win-win for you.
I don't know if I'm on anything right now, folks. Keep me talking to myself. Not really sure.
Here you go, Peter.
Well, my buddy asked me to do this, so I'm doing. Oh, well,
no.
now, folks.
Oh, no.
Now, folks, as a professional plumber, that is very unprofessional. But we will wipe that up. Sorry. Well, my neighbor's here actually complained on him, so that's good. It's not my fault. So Bernard made that happen, folks. Hey, you got a pair of pliers
Yes.
there, Bernard?
No, of course not.
Well, better run.
Go, there you go.
He literally.
That's the kind of number. That's the kind of neighbors want about. People, they hustle. They hustle. We need hustle in this country.
If he breaks it, he doesn't care.
That's right. I don't care if I break it. This is his body. He bought the parts. I'm just doing the layer. So hey, it's one win for me.
Tyler,
Buddy.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. YouTube thanks you.
Yes.
Now they know how they can say, hey, look, if Tyler can do it, I think I can do it.
That's
You
right.
know?
That's right. If the old country boy can do it, hey, y'all can do it. I promise. You need a little country advice, a little country plumbing. Hey, well, come on over. I'll give you the advice. I'll get on there with you like I was. I'll take my hat off. I'll get with you. Not a problem.
At least try first, and if you
And if you don't exceed, well, give me a holler. Give me a holler. I mean, I'm E.L. Smith Plumbing. We're right there on West Avenue. But you know what? I mean, you get a hold of Bernard here, and he'll get a hold of me, and I'll take care of you.
Modessey Man here.
That's
you
right.
know.
My boy here, you know, I mean, we've been good neighbors.
This is the way
You know.
to have friends.
And his kids love me.
These are good friends to have.
Yeah,
you know?
the kids love me, and I'm Uncle Sipper now to the kids. So you know.
All right. Thank you. See you later.
Now let me show y'all, if you're still recording, Allison here. This one here, my old homeowner here, my buddy, my partner, he decided that, you know, he wouldn't say anything, let me struggle with this one for a good 20 minutes. Come to find out, the one that's supposed to be on there is on there now. So
No, that one's supposed to be on there too. They're both
homeowner,
supposed to be on there. That's supposed to be on the small side.
look homeowners.
It won't fit on the small side anymore because it's stretched.
So
it out.
homeowners, when you try to tell me it'll go on there when I know it won't, don't try to tell me that because I know it's not going to. Unless you want to see me struggle, you can make an amazing YouTube video and have all kind of ask your friends. Hey, that's okay, I'll do it for you. No problem, I'll make some laughs. But, you know, this doesn't go back on. Just so everybody knows. So, thank you again.